Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we are going to share with you the multiple job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. And apart from that, if any one of you are feeling stuck in your career, you're not able to proceed ahead with the job opportunities, with the resume being shortlisted, or you're unable to crack the interviews, or you are not having idea which are the tools, which is the tech stack that is there in the demand in the market, feel free to book a call on the top mate with respect to one-to-one career guidance. So in this call, I'll be connecting with you personally and would discuss about what next steps you can take to move to the next level, whether you want to switch from manual testing to automation, or you want to switch from Python robot framework to Playwright, or you want to switch from Selenium to Playwright, or you want to switch from Gap to the IT. So all those things would be discussed. And don't worry, these sessions will not be recorded. It Those are one-to-one sessions in which we will be discussing in detail with you. So apart from this, let me share some of the job opportunities with you. So there are multiple job opportunities that we are having with respect to QA. So first, there is a requirement for a QA engineer, and they are looking for remote positions. That is in Mumbai, Bangalore. They are looking for senior QA engineer, 4+ years, up to 14 LPA, and you can also get QA lead up to 16 LPA. So you can drop your CV at this particular email address. They are also looking for senior platform engineer, junior platform engineer, data and machine learning engineer, data scientist. All these positions are there. Then there's a requirement for automation test engineer, and it's a remote position that they need to fill for the Delhi NCR location. It's a full-time job opportunity. Experience requires 3 to 7 years. CTC would be 12 to 15 LPA. Notice period is immediate to 1 month. 2 to 3 video rounds would be there, and active LinkedIn profile is mandatory. So you need to have Selenium, Playwright, JavaScript, strong SDLC, and this is the email address wherein you have to check. So candidates who are based out in India can only apply for this position. Okay, not outside candidates, because many times what happens, people from across the globe, they are applying. So this is only for the automation testers who are within the India itself. Okay. Then there's a requirement for QA automation engineer, Selenium plus manual. So location is full-time in Hyderabad. Experience required is 3 to 4 years. So they are looking for a quality owner, not just a tester. And they are looking for 3 to 4 years of experience mixing Selenium automation, Java, Python with solid manual testing. So you can drop your resume at this email address. They are looking for someone who has got strong grip on WebDriver, TestNG, JUnit, CI/CD tools, and SQL. Then there's a requirement for functional test engineer, banking domain, and the location is Pune or Bangalore. The role is a functional test engineer, and you can apply to this particular email address. There's a referral email address which will help you to get more calls, and you can send your CV with the subject line functional test engineer banking, right? So this is the position. Then there's a requirement for QA engineer, manual plus automation again. Location is Ahmedabad. Experience required is 2 to 4 years. Preference is immediate joiners, preferably from Ahmedabad. So they are looking for the skilled QA engineers, someone who has got strong experience in manual testing, hands-on experience with automation testing tools, good understanding of SDLC, STLC, and you can share your resume at this email address. Okay, and this is also the email address. So there are two email addresses given to you, and these are the contact details. Okay, fine. So now let's discuss about the fresher job opportunity. So there is one fresher job opportunity with respect to the internship, right? They are looking for freshers, BTech, MCA, BCA. It's a remote job, and they are looking for the interns who want to make their career. So you can apply, and it's a remote job, right? 3 months of duration internship, and you can share your CV at this email address, or you can also WhatsApp here. Capgemini is having a hiring drive for testing professionals on 28th of February. So if you have 3 to 12 years of strong hands-on experience in any of the skills, then this is for you. Selenium plus Java plus API testing, ETL testing with Python, Playwright automation. This is the drive location, and it is happening in Bangalore, Pune, Hyderabad, Chennai. 28th February is the date for the same. Then there's a requirement for immediate joiners, that is Noida, location sector 62. So these are the open positions for Node.js developer as well as for QA engineer. And they are looking for someone who can apply for and who can work for for the global clients. And these are the skill set: automation, manual, Selenium, TestNG, Java, Jira, Playwright. So this is the email address wherein you have to apply. These are the website details. If you have any references, feel free to share. So these are the job opportunities for freshers as well as for experienced. Let me know if anything else is required and if you are really looking forward to making your career in the next level. So I would request you to go for the career guidance call, right? You can book the career guidance call that is there on the top mate itself, right? You can be a part of that call, and I'll connect with you personally and will guide you, will mentor you, right? So you can book this call on the top mate itself. Thank you so much for connecting today, for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.